Hi, I'm Jesse Howiak, Marketing Manager of Eagle Builders, and today we're going to sit down with a client of ours, Matt Wolseley, who is the president of York Realty, and a client of his, Lawrence Cantera, who is the VP of Land Continental Cartage. And we're going to sit down and we're going to talk about how Eagle Builders and Precast was able to help them with their day-to-day operations.
So we own all sorts of buildings, right? From cinder block to pre-eng to concrete to panels to sort of freezer panels. We choose precast because it's the best option out there. It's durable. It's got a great R value in terms of insulation, in terms of the thermal mass it gets, which is important in today's market, right? Utilities are increasingly expensive, especially when you're talking about the volumes that some of these industrial buildings take. So having built with all types and having owned all types, we are only building with precast now.
The one thing about the concrete casting is that it does provide a barrier for the outside environment, so you don't have those drafts or leaks, and our power bills and our heat bills have been surprisingly pleasant. Also, the noise from the outside is maintained outside, so I think it's a great concept on the concrete building.
Some of their solutions, I think, that are totally innovative have to do with, for example, construction schedules. We've had a couple projects where we can get a tenancy by achieving an extremely aggressive, you might think unachievable construction schedule. And some of the innovations, for example, tilting the structural panels right up on screw piles, allows you to change the game, I think, in terms of winter construction.
Well, they initially had timelines that we had to be in by a certain date, and they met those timelines. We were concerned at the start of construction because we were at the mercy of Mother Nature, but between Eagle and York, they pulled it off and must have set a record because we were in within 6 months.
I can't say enough about some of the technologies they're employing right now in terms of modularization of construction with their panels. The way it allows you to stack construction schedules, I think, is totally unique and is sort of the way of the future for construction. So, and I only see that getting more and more streamlined as we work with Eagle, which is exciting for us. And then in the outcome, right, you get a really high quality building that looks fantastic, that performs very well for the applications we've got, and that our tenants are ultimately really satisfied with, just for their durability, their quality, reliability, their energy efficiency, any number of things. It's a great process start to finish.
York Realty and Eagle have been top notch. I think right from the get-go, what was surprising about it was the options of design that were given it to us. We were treated as the client. They built based on our client spec what we needed. We went off the path a little bit from traditional design. They had no problems with that and accommodated us throughout the process.
Yes, I mean, we're extremely happy with our working relationship with Eagle. There's a whole bunch of reasons why. The first one would be really, I think, like I said before, they do what they say, right? And that means also they're responsive. So when they say they'll do something, they respond quickly and then they do it. And that's everything in the contracting business.